Good day, Michelle. This is Mary.
Hi.
How you
Yeah,
doing? Thank
I'm
you
doing
for
okay.
appreciate you taking my call. We were texting. You mentioned that you're gonna be selling the house.
Yes, I am. It's gone by the end of the year.
Okay.
100,000 as is, and there'll be a lot of stuff still inside. I'm just going to take what I want.
Okay. Understand. No, that's fine. Some sellers even leave stuff behind, and we help them move. Some others they just don't want to take anything, and it's up to them too.
Yeah, it'll be
So,
all furnished.
okay. So you're asking for 100,000. What's the house condition? The
No,
house vacant.
no, I'm living here, but it was my sister's for many years, and she bought it, and I don't know anything really about it. It's got a living room, a big dining room. The bedrooms are not, one bedroom's okay with the bathroom, but the other bedroom is very small. I used to use it as a closet, and then I turned it back into a bedroom.
Okay.
Kitchen, needs updated, but it's not, I've been told it's not, it looks nice. The basement's huge, but it is a mess. It has an outside in the back, which I have at one time, several times, had it all cut up and everything. Right now it's long. It's got an old garage. Probably needs to be taken down. Little spot in the front. Have you seen the house?
Not really. Just, saw some pictures online. We'd rather to have confirmation of the seller before we stop by or do anything.
Are you buying it for yourself? Are you fixing it up and selling it?
No, we are buyers. We are a mom and pop's business per se. We keep the houses 90% of the time. We love Cincinnati, so most likely
Rent it?
we may keep it and just rent it after we do
Well,
some improvements on it.
okay, that would be fine. It has furniture in it already.
Okay.
I'm not taking it. I'm moving to Florida, and I'm only taking a couple things. My clothes and all that, but I'm only taking a couple things. You
You're
could
going to
probably
Florida. Wow.
Fort Myers, and that's why I'm not taking much. I don't know what I'm taking yet. I work this week and 2 more weeks, and then I'm off.
Oh,
I quit. I'll stay till sometime in December.
okay. So, so you need time until December, but if we can make an offer like in 100,000, I see it's like how soon can we move this?
Well, I'm going to live here till I get my stuff out, which is the end of December.
Okay.
I might move earlier. It just
Yeah,
sort of depends.
we can work something out.
Okay. If you want to come see it, it's a mess right now.
Mm.
You can, but yeah, we can sell it whenever. I can sell, but I'll stay till the end of December,
Of course.
or close to the end of December. I have to get down to Florida.
Yeah.
I don't know how I'm doing that yet.
Yeah, that's
Pretty much.
doable. You know what we can do? We can
But
just put everything in motion with the papers. We can sign the agreement, but we're not gonna close until you're ready to go because we're not gonna rush you out of the house. And that gives us times. Like for us, it works. Would that be
okay, good.
convenient?
That would be convenient.
Okay.
You got a house.
Yeah. So let's do something. I will send you a purchase agreement for you to review, and I will send my partner. She's local. She will go down there to confirm the house condition because we need to confirm everything. You're saying actually matches. But she will go down there and she will bring a contract for you. But in the meantime, just give me your email for now. Yeah, that's fine. So she will be more than happy to disclosing everything through the contract because she's supposed to do that by law.
Right.
She's just gonna confirm everything, and I will make sure that she puts that closing is not gonna happen
It's
until the end of December, so we give you
right.
time. My pleasure, Michelle. Save my contact number. My name is Mary.
It's
So
in my phone.
okay, perfect. I will be connecting. I will make sure that we move forward with this. Okay.
Okay.
God
All
bless you,
right.
Michelle.
Bye.